is the guiding principle or will be the guiding principle, which means that governance that puts citizens first. Contrast this to what the Congress has been saying about Rahul Gandhi. Many have declared him as the Prime Minister. They say come 2029, Rahul Gandhi will be the Prime Minister. Let me quickly open this up. Asif Bhamla is the spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. R. Rajagopalan, Nikhil Jain here with us. Dr. Akashdeep Muni completes the panel. Mr. Bhamla, you must be scared now that the Congress has declared Rahul Gandhi not as the prime ministerial candidate or face. They say in 2029, Rahul Gandhi is the prime minister, will be the prime minister.
We are happy and we welcome this movement of the Congress because we know that the Bharatiya Janata Party is a very well-oiled machine, which is a 24/7 working arrangement where the Bharatiya Janata Party, right from its lowest category worker to the highest category of the worker, works to the fullest. For us, it's an auto mode, be it the electioneering or organizational structure per se, infrastructure, whatever. I mean, of course, Prime Minister Modi is the pride of the BJP and has done exemplary thing. But whoever be the candidate, that is not important. It is the workers, it's the cadre that the Bharatiya Janata Party has built.
No, Mr. Bhamla, Rahul Gandhi is not the candidate anymore. You see, that's the difference. The Congress has not declared Rahul Gandhi as the prime ministerial candidate. They've declared his victory.
To declare the candidate, for us, opposition उम्मीदवार क्या तय करता है, हमारे लिए ये महत्व की बात ही नहीं है. हमारे लिए महत्व की बात ये है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक छोटा उम्मीदवार, चाहे वो नगर सेवक हो या आमदार हो या खासदार हो, वो जीत कर आने की स्थिति परिस्थिति में रहे, चाहे केंद्र में उम्मीदवार कोई भी हो. इससे हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. और आपने देखा होगा मुंबई में, महाराष्ट्र में, कई जगहों पर हमने दिखा दिया कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को चुनाव में नहीं लाने के बाद भी पार्टी ने उनके केवल नाम पे, उनके केवल आशीर्वाद में इतनी बड़ी जीत हासिल. उन्हें जरूरत है, सुनिए, गिव मी 30 सेकंड मोर, उन्हें जरूरत है नेता की, शक्ल की, नामों की, क्योंकि उनके पास काम नहीं है, उनके पास पार्टी ने किया हुआ कार्य नहीं है. यहाँ 11 सालों का नरेंद्र मोदी जी का संकल्प है, एक विकसित भारत का ख्वाब है. आज आपने अगर देखा होगा जो प्रधानमंत्री का जो भवन का जो उद्घाटन हुआ, जो नामकरण बदली हुआ है, सेवा तीर्थ. इसका मतलब क्या है? व्हाट डज सेवा तीर्थ सेज? इन्होंने तो अंग्रेजों के नामों को बढ़ावा दिया और अब अंग्रेजों के नाम को लाद कर घूमते रहे. आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी को गर्व है और देश को गर्व है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी के प्रधानमंत्री की शक्ल में एक नाम जो है सेवा तीर्थ जो है देश को मिला है. न कि नॉर्थ ब्लॉक, साउथ ब्लॉक.
Okay, let me get in the others, Mr. Bhamla. Dr. Muni, the Congress party says Rahul Gandhi is the Prime Minister.
Yes, of course he should be.
Should be नहीं बोल रहे ना, वही तो प्रॉब्लम है. वो बोल रहे हैं कि this is his model, this is the Rahul model. In 2029 he is the Prime Minister. How does this work in a democracy?
I'll tell you, the way Modi government is working, it's opening ways for the Congress to come back and strongly come back. Just imagine, they have betrayed the Jawan and Kisan at the same vein. Remember, now they have done a Indo-US new trade deal. Now, in this trade deal, they have allowed US farmers selling their product in India, which endangers the future of Indian farmers. The average US farm is 466 acres. The average Indian farm is 2.5 acres. And they have to compete. Indian farmers without mechanization, without subsidy, have to compete with US farmers. आपने फार्म बिल के टाइम में प्रोटेस्ट देखा था, ये बड़ा होगा, ये बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट होगा.
नहीं,
और इन्होंने जवान को भी धोखा दिया.
Dr. Muni, 1 minute. Do you realize what you are saying? You are saying Rahul Gandhi will become the Prime Minister because of this, according to you, lopsided deal that India has signed with the US. Now, let's for a moment assume that there is no deal. That means Rahul Gandhi cannot become the Prime Minister?
I am not saying about this one instance. I am saying also about there are many instances. उन्होंने जवान को भी धोखा दिया है. Just imagine, our General Narwani ji has written gracefully in a book that he is let down by the Indian government while there was an attack by PLA. And
Which book
Indian
is
government
this?
is not allowing
Which
that
book?
to be
Which
getting
no,
published.
1 minute. Which book are you talking about, Dr. Muni? Which book?
You all know. You know about the book I am talking about.
I don't know about the book. The
Now
book
I'll
has
tell
not
you.
been published.
It has
If you
been
have a
published.
copy, if
Yes,
you have
yes.
a copy of the book, why don't you contact Delhi police and tell them कहां से खरीदा था आपने?
I'll tell you that the publication date is January 12, 2024. Amazon Singapore has sold it under ISBN number 9780.
I'll tell you, you can be of great help to Delhi police. You can become a prosecution witness. आप उनको फोन कीजिए और आप उनको बताइए कि मैंने ये किताब खरीदी थी, यहां से खरीदी थी. Many people have been quizzed. Penguin has been quizzed. The publisher. आप भी बता दीजिए सर. Join the party. निखिल.